Constructing the line diagram for minor scales. What you need to know. You need to know how to construct the line diagram for major scales. You need to know how to use the line diagram for major scales. Okay, so here we have the line diagram for major scales. Just to think back about how this all works, you know that you have, you wrote out Father Charles goes down and ends battle 3 times, once, twice, thrice. You put flats on the first group, you put sharps on the second group, you put 0 under the letter C, you numbered 1 to 7 in either direction, you put your arrows starting from the flats this way and the sharps this way. Okay, so you remember that the number underneath the letter tells you how many sharps or flats are in a particular key. So if I wanted the key signature for A flat, you know that it has 4 flats in it. Then you refer to your arrows up top and you count off the first 4 flats, starting B, E, A, and D. If you were doing sharps, say you wanted E major has 4 sharps, so it's F, C, G, D. For minor keys, move the number line so that the number 0 is under the letter A. Okay, so using this new minor line diagram, if I look at any particular letter, the number underneath tells me how many sharps or flats. So under the letter A we have 0, so that tells you the key signature for A minor is no sharps, no flats. If we look at D minor, we have 1 flat, and this is the flat side, this is the sharp side. So my 1 flat is going to be the first flat over here, and that'd be the key signature for D minor. If I wanted to do F sharp minor, that has 3, and it's on the sharp side, so it's 3 sharps, so I'm going to take the first 3 sharps, which is F, C, and G. Okay, so it works exactly the same as the major scale line diagram, it's just everything's shifted over. Okay, so here we have the major and minor line diagrams combined into one diagram. So we have the major numbers here and the minors here. So you can tell that A major has 3 sharps and A minor has 0 sharps and 0 flats. This is really helpful because you can actually also figure out things like what is the relative minor of something else. And this is something we'll look at in a different tutorial, but just very quickly, you see that E flat major has 3 flats. And if you wanted to know what the minor scale is that has 3 flats, you just look for the number 3. So C minor has 3 flats. So those are C minor is the relative minor for E flat. Anyhow, hope that's helpful for you, and that's it.